Okay guys, so this will be our official statement regarding the allegations that's circling in the social media. Before I dive and give you the full story, first I wanna apologize kasi sorry because we posted a video yesterday which we took down and tama kayo, hindi kasi na-address ng direct yung mga issues which we're gonna do today and show you the proofs. So first, before ko sabihin sa inyo yung full story, let me tell you the person we think is behind the post ng Get Nice. So this person we think is a Chinese national named Jin. Yes, he was previously our partner in business. His role is mainly sourcing and buying the stocks that we sell, which he proved din naman doon sa mga pinost niya na allegations. So, I'll show you a screenshot that is a GC wherein there are multiple people that can be a witness on the authenticity of this proof and chat. So back in February 2025, Carl called out our Chinese business partner Jin regarding some of the questions na meron tayo regarding fulfillment on some orders. So I will read this to you, but I will share this to you also. Carl said, I keep on delaying the meeting not because I don't want to talk to you, but because there are some other things that are more important. Sorry if I'll say this here and you already started it. I already know that you're saying certain infos to our office staffs. That's not true.
Office staffs meaning the Get Nice app.
Meaning the Get Nice app na staff na part ng team. Okay. And sinabi dito ni Carl, I have all the proofs that shows that actually in this partnership there are lies that we can discuss further in details, but for now I will leave these screenshots as sample proof. So nung part na to kasi guys, if you notice, meron na kaming problema dun sa partnership kasi nga siya yung nag-aano ng fulfillment at walang na-fulfill. So ako, I also gave my thoughts on the same day after Carl sent the message. I said, bro, Jin, again. Jin is one Ethan and the same person, but I used to call him Jin. Sorry, I can no longer keep quiet about the issues. From the Excel that Carl sent, I can see that in this example, the orders were clearly not bought, but we always say it is with customs. Every order we buy is in this Excel, even recent ones, but this batch seems we never bought over a month and we paid it all using store money. It's very clear that's not true. My biggest concern is there have been big impact on our customer experience in our company, but we insist on this lie instead of fixing it. The solution we have is pay the compensation and refund using the store money again, bro. It's not fair to the business. I can't speak about the partnership or the shares or whatnot. Let's talk about that separately because for me, my main concern is always the company, and we can discuss this with Carl to make sure this is fair because I will never let it be unfair to anyone. Setting all other things aside, we paid in full but status is not yet bought. We should have bought more than 1 month. What we know is it's in customs. And I ask, always in customs, bros? Anything we build for the company, if we do this, will be for nothing since we easily ruin it by negative customer impact, and what's more is we lie to each other. And I involve here one of his Chinese business partner or employee. Weiwei keeps saying it's in customs but it's never been bought. In which, guys, ito yung response niya in that GC still. Ang sabi ni Jen, or sumagot mo na yung Weiwei during this day, sinabi niya, kinonfirm niya, I received money, delay. And sabi niya, I prepare my personal things back China, focus on meeting my girlfriend's family. That's why delay to update. Sumagot si Jin or Ethan, as you can see in this chat already. He said, about this, no need to talk here. I will pay the refunds, no matter what reason. But for now, I need Bro Carl have a meeting with me. I will pay 100% of the loss. And this is the time na sabi ko, yes, no need to discuss here. Thanks guys, and I left the group, as you can see in the screenshot. Okay guys, so let me be clear. We didn't receive any refund or compensation for the orders na tinutukoy. And here, let me share with you the proof of the transaction wherein we sent from the Get Nice store an amount of 1,068,000 pesos back in January 6 to be exact, to be sent to Get Nice online shop bank account, proving that we are paying and disassociating the Get Nice store from the Get Nice shop ever since na nagbabayad kami sa kanila so that they can pay and source the stocks. Now that we've established that fact, because we just want to make things clear about the partnership, but also I want to talk about the fact na we never received any feedback or compensation regarding those orders and never nila finulfill, but we made sure, and I can assure you that each and every customer order nung time na yon na nasa list na yon na amounting to 1,068,000 pesos, we fulfilled on our end. Bakit? Kasi kami yung humarap sa tao, kami yung nandito sa store, we made sure that we took it as a loss. Even though sabi ng partner namin namin that they will pay the loss. They never did. We never received any amount from them. Bakit namin sinasabi to, guys? Kasi before kami mag-move on to sa biggest issue of all, which I i-mention ko na yung name, na transaction with Paring Hive, the Gentry team, Paring G, we wanted to show first, number one, establish yung pattern of lies of this person, and we want to establish the fact na we pay them, we send them serious amount of money for any orders that they send back to us here at the time. And we want to establish na we did the right thing for our customers regardless kung sino sila. But let's talk about yung main issue, which is the purchase of Paring G, wherein nag-trade kami, nagawa kami ng content about the transaction na pinagpalit namin yung Rolex na Wimbledon sa Chrome Hearts na pants. Wherein he showed proof that actually he bought this in a Chinese app na, sorry, tignan nyo na lang hindi kasi kami nakaintindi ng Chinese, pero he bought it himself. Na he claims na kami nagbigay ng direction to buy it, which is also not true. So, hindi niya lang alam that, again, let me give you the time frame and timeline nung mga nangyari. So, January nagbayad kami as proof ng 1 million, February nag-follow up kami, walang dumating, and that's the time na nag-split na kami. Come May, ito na yung time wherein a concern was brought to us by Paring G na he had the pants authenticated by a third party, which hindi ko na rin natatago kasi nag-ask naman ako ng consent ng mga taong magiging involved sa video na to, which is Barabay, to authenticate the pants. And unfortunately, there were inconsistencies dun sa pants, and this happened in May. At nung time na yon, nung na-brought to sa attention namin ni Carl, what we did is we took actions right away. So number one, the first action that we took is we compensated Gerald for the same amount and value of the pants with other items. Ano yung proof? So eto, I'm gonna share you another screenshot between me and Gerald. This was dated May 31, 2025, and I said, Brody, yung human made kanina, di ko i-list sa purchase, gift na lang yun sa'yo. Haha, saka meron pa ako in order parating na regalo pa, wait na lang. And Gerald replied, thank you broski, naabala ka pa men or something. And I said, Dance Brody, makabawi man lang sa'yo sa kagaguhan ni Jin. And that's it. So this proves na during that time, he already had knowledge of the issue na akala siguro ni Jin, hindi namin alam or hindi namin in-address yung issue. Kasi may question why now? Why now? After several years, why now? Which babalikan ko mamaya. But to prove, again, this na nangyari ito nung timeline, na nagmamatch yung timeline natin, May to, guys, May to, nung naayos na na-compensate si Brother G. And more than that, actually, nagbigay pa tayo ng regalo kay Paring G. Kasi hindi naman para kasi paabutin natin sa ganito bago kami bumawi kay Paring G. Nung nalaman pa lang namin, bumawi na kami sa kanya. Pero that happened in May, in which, also, I'm gonna share with you a screenshot with the third party na nabanggit ko, which is si Jared, or also known as Barabay. So, ayan, sinabi ko sa kanya nung May 24 pa lang, bro, good eve, nakausap ko pala sila Hive kanina and nasabi sa akin yung issue. Thank you pala for checking. To be honest, na-caught off guard kami and now we're planning to sudin yung supplier. Na paano naman namin masusuna sa China ka? If hindi mag-comply, kasi even if refund, nagka-problema sa reputation namin, buti na lang sila Hive and G yung nagkataon na may issue, so maayos silang kausap. Kasi Paring G and Paring Hive, we consider them more than clients, but we consider them as friends. Ngayon, sabi ni Barabay, May 24, again, good evening brother, no worries dun bro. Oo, habulin nyo na lang yung supplier, taas ata ng kuha nyo dun which was true. Sayang din. Buti sa akin na tapat, and then, yon, sinabi na rin ni Barabay na, yun nga, siya yung nag-authenticate and he found inconsistencies dun sa pants. Actually guys, to be honest a lot of people said in social media na grabe kami, nagbenta kami ng fake, kumita kami na malaki. In reality, hindi guys. Kasi fact 1, we paid for the pants. Fact 2, compensated G, Gerald, with other merch and products amounting to the same value. We even added some gifts para lang dahil napahiya kami. Pero bukod doon, eto guys, just to show proof, ito yung pants. Hindi namin binenta, hindi namin tinapon.
Mas lalong hindi tayo kumita.
Mas lalong hindi kami kumita ng 800,000 dahil nandito yung item. So that disproves all the claim regarding that issue. And dun sa claim na gumagamit kami ng fake para ma-attract ng fans. At sabi ko daw yon, and malaki yung issue dun sa Givenchy na shirt. Dun sa Givenchy na shirt, it's here. Even though na pinalegit up na namin, so marami pa rin nagdududa, it just proves to what extent this person will go through in his lies para mapanindigan niya lang. Kasi sinabi niya na naghanap daw kami ng ibang shirt. So ang galing din naman na, imagine guys naghanap kami ng ibang shirt on the same day with the same same holes. I-compare nyo talaga one by one. I know sa picture mukhang iba kasi yung guhit is paslit. Pero pag ginamit na kasi siya, mahihila siya and it's gonna be round. So you can check them, compare one by one. Kung mapatunayan mo na same na shirt. Ngayon gusto kong reiterate din, after the issue nung pants na ayos namin, I just wanna say thank you. I just wanna pause for a moment and say thank you. Gen 3 team, kila paring G, paring Hype. Kasi na-prove ko naman na nangyari to nung May. Na-prove ko na nangyari to nung May, inayos natin. Pero nawala ba yung tiwala nila sa atin? Hindi nawala yung tiwala nila sa atin. After that, there were deals, there were purchases, there were times wherein they still bought here in our store. Maraming pagkakataon. Kahit si Barabay, actually, we have transactions after the issue. So magpapasalamat ako sa kanila kasi alam nila yung totoo. That's why naalagaan namin yung relationship more than just being clients but also being friends. Ngayon, another thing is yung issues about customers. Yung sabi niya na nagbenta daw kami ng Miu Miu na bag na fake, nagbenta kami ng Prada na fake. Those are allegations. Sige, pakita mo. Asan yung customer na bumili nun? Asan yung customer na bumili nun? But also, equally, before I wrap this up, I wanna thank muna din all of our clients, all of our customers. Grabe guys, sobrang when the world was against us, when we haven't shown this proof, when we haven't shown all the screenshots, yung katotohanan, and it looked like the world was against us, our customers had our backs. Nag-message sila na they're gonna wait for our explanation, na buo yung tiwala nila. And sobrang na-appreciate namin yon. Hindi sila tulad ng iba na nakiride sa issue without knowing the full story. And I guess ganun talaga siguro. Sad to say, in this community, ang culture natin, kapag merong opportunity para masiraan yung iba, then mas nagja-jump to that opportunity yung mga tao rather than supporting one another and supporting each other. So I wanna shout out din some of the store owners, the dealers that messaged me privately that said that they knew me as a person, they knew how I do business, and that they believed na we'll get through this by showing the real truth, by speaking the truth. And gusto kong maging message yun to everyone, especially those people that hopefully we've aspired during this journey. In this journey, you might encounter a lot more people that will try to bring you down, but you're not doing this for them. You're doing this for the people that believes in you. So you have to keep on pushing through para sa kanila. Sabi ko yung timing, bakit ngayon? Wala akong maisip na rason bakit ngayon niya nilalabas to at ginagamit niya against us. Pero ang nakikita ko lang is bago kasi mangyari to, walang transaction, walang engagement sa page. So baka nag-struggle or ewan. Pero what I know is that when we split ways and hindi kami natakot na magsimula ulit. Sabi niya kasi binild niya yung Get Nice and dun naging successful na we use that. Pero hindi guys, yung story, if you follow us, you would know we weren't afraid to start our business from the scratch, from the start. Mag-separate sa Get Nice because we weren't agreeing with the unethical practices that they were doing. Nag-rebrand kami to Prism, brand new name. Hindi kami natakot na magsimula ulit kasi we know na nasa tama kami.
May mga nagko-comment nga din na sayang ba't pa kayo nagpalit into Prism from Get Nice So,
correct.
I mean, we're confident enough na
Correct. At paulit-ulit namin sinabi yun sa mga videos namin aside from this one. Paulit-ulit namin reiterate na hindi na kami Get Nice, hindi na kami Get Nice, Prism na kami, Prism na kami. And it's really because this is the type of person that we're dealing with. We just never imagined that he's capable of doing all these things. Pero yun guys, I just want to say thank you to our clients kasi ayoko na panay ganito yung videos natin kasi we did the videos para sa mga audience natin na we tried to have an effect wherein it's heartwarming, it's light, gusto namin mag-bring ng entertainment and joy sa mga audience. Which is the same experience that we wanna bring to our clients every time they go here. They visit here. Yun yung ini-embody namin So ayaw namin na maging ganito yung experience, ayaw namin maging ganito yung feeling ng mga tao when they go to our page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tao nagtiwala at patuloy yung sumusuporta. And dun sa mga taong naghusga without knowing our side, we don't blame you kasi we needed to we needed to address. We need to show the proof. But also, it took us time to do that kasi we wanted to make sure we do it the right way na nakuha namin yung consent ng mga parties na involved. Yun lang naman. Maraming salamat. I just hope more success to everyone that's doing their business right and to everyone that's genuine. Thank you so much. And that's it.